Have you ever had a peach cream pie? Well, let me show you how to make it. First, you're gonna cut your peaches. You're gonna cut a good amount of them because we're gonna stuff these pastries. We're gonna add brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg. We're gonna add vanilla extract, almond extract. Should look like this. These are the pastries we're gonna be using. Just gonna lay them flat. I'm gonna cut them into threes. Now we're gonna stuff our pastry. We're gonna add our peaches. And you wanna make sure you leave the outer corners without peaches so they won't be too stuffed, but layer them high as possible because those peaches are gonna cook and they're gonna come down, so you don't want your pastry to be flat. So make sure you put a lot of peaches, add your cream on top. Peaches and cream pie, so delicious, easy to make. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.